F and G, the next two questions.
Okay. F and G. F. The equation in X. This has 4 real solutions. Okay, so here, when k is from something to something. Okay, so one thing we can do, for example, probably if it has 4 solutions, we know if x approaches, suppose it is f of x, if x approaches positive infinity, f of x approaches what?
F of X also approaches infinity, positive infinity.
Yes, if x approaches negative infinity, then negative infinity. Then f of x approaches what?
Still a positive infinity.
Yes. So probably, for example, we have some function like this, right? To
Yeah.
think. Okay, so it doesn't say that for distinct real solution. It says only 4 solutions. So we can also write, for example, x. We can use Vieta's formula, right? Try to see, can you solve it with Vieta's formula? Okay.
Okay. I don't think this can be solved with Vietas.
Okay, so let's check. Let's only check. For example, we can say R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 is what?
It's 1603.
R1, R2 to R3, R4 is what?
6?
Negative 6, right? Or no, 6.
No, just
R1,
6.
R2, yes. R1, let me check. Ah, yes. R1, R2, R3 to R2, R3, R4 is what?
0.
Yes, and product of them is what?
K.
K. Okay, one thing is this. We can also consider, because K is only for constant, let's work on derivative of this. F prime of X is what?
12x cubed minus 48x squared plus 54x.
No, what X?
Oh, sorry, 36x.
Yes. And
That's
what
right.
are the roots of F prime of X?
But we can take out an x. So actually, we can just divide it all by 12.
Yes.
To give us x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x. We can we can factorize into x and times x plus minus 3 and x minus 1.
Yes. So we have 3 roots for F prime of X. You can use this to solve the problem. Want more hint? So look, sometimes in the beginning, you can see, for example, maybe 2 approaches are useful. You can quickly check. So F prime of X is this one. You can imagine also in the beginning, and you can say, okay, F prime is good because K is here, will be disappeared, and also we can factor from X. So we have these roots. Try to use this and solve the problem first on your own, okay?
Could you give me a hint, please?
Okay, sure. So, do you know when F prime is 0, it means what?
That's a stationary point.
Yes, we can have, for example, something like this, or something like this, or also we can have something like this. the slope of tangent line is 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And here, before this point, f prime is what? In this point, f prime is 0. Here, f prime is what?
Which one?
In this part, f prime is what?
There it's positive,
Positive. This part, f prime is what?
negative.
Exactly. Also, we can have these parts. In this part, f prime is what here?
Negative.
Negative, f prime positive. In this part, f prime is positive. Again, f prime is positive, right? F prime is negative, prime is negative. So, as you can see, f prime, if you check these points, we don't have these 2 points. You can easily check. You can imagine this, but let me write these things for you. It's for the first time. The roots are 0, 1, 3, right? In these points, we
Yeah.
have 0. Can you tell me f prime here is positive or negative? It's easy.
There it's positive.
Yes. And because look, the degree of each of them is 1, you can write alternatively. For example, if it is x minus 1 squared, it
Yeah.
is positive, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we can say, okay, because it's negative positive, it's something like this, negative positive. So exactly it is this one, right? For this part. Negative decreasing,
Yeah.
positive increasing. So this point is what? X coordinate of this point.
0.
What about this one?
Of 1,
This one?
3.
Okay. So want more hint or that's enough?
Can I have another one? Because I already figured that out.
Okay, so look, we know it is positive infinity if we want to have Fourier solutions. For example, it is x-axis. If we have something like this, it is
Yeah.
not good. We don't have real solutions. So f of 0 should be what?
Oh.
Negative, then f of 1 positive, then f of 3 negative. We should check these conditions, okay?
Yeah, and then it has to be being okay. That's what didn't click.
Yes, if you
Okay, thank
draw
you.
the diagram, it's not important the point is what. You can think and figure out. You should consider what, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so f of 0 negative means k should be negative, right?
Yeah.
F of 1 positive means what? 3 plus 18, 21 minus 16, 5. 5 plus k positive, right? F of
Yes.
3 is negative. So 243 minus, let's factor from 9. 27, right?
144.
Minus 48 plus 18 plus k should be negative. This one is negative 30, right? Minus 3 minus 27, so k is less than 27. Here k is greater than negative 5, right? So if we consider all of them, what can we conclude? Your choice is correct.
It's gonna be the A. Wait, what's the difference between A and C?
All of them should be satisfied. We have 3 inequalities.
Yeah, it's gonna be C.
It says k is greater than negative 5. C says k is less than negative 5.
Greater than negative 5.
Yes, k
Oh
should
right,
be
yes.
greater, but C says
I cannot read. Okay, so it has to be D.
oh, you cannot read what?
I'm just having an off moment. I couldn't read the minus.
Okay, so check the
that's
choices. Is the correct choice D?
F. Yes, D.
Okay, you said F, and next one G. You said
Yeah.